What's up guys, this is Rapid Bits here with your Daily Bit. Today we are going to do a one-handed unboxing of the Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SEs. Give a quick shot of the packaging real quick. And Corsair logo there. As you can see here, works with Corsair's IQ technology, uses Slipstream, and it is Discord certified. High fidelity gaming headset, 50mm neodymium speakers, memory foam ear pads and headband, Slipstream technology, broadcast grade detachable microphone, premium lightweight aluminum construction. High fidelity gaming headset compatible with PC and PlayStation 4. Let's go ahead and try and slide it open. I already did a partial unboxing myself, just because some of these things are a little hard to do one-handed. You'll get over it. Inside box, embossed with the Corsair logo. Do your thing. And right inside the box here, we have the Virtuoso. You know, they're machined metal glory. Come with these little protectors over the ear cuffs. Let's set that off to the side. Yummy little silica gel packet. Holding bag. Nice and plush. Quilted, so to say. And a goodie bag, which you push right there. See? You gotta poke it. Okay, poked. Okay. That's all that's in there. Bye. How do you open this? Like this. Fold. Thank you. Little toilet pamphlet. In case I'm bored and forget my phone. 3.5mm jack. Nicely done with the knurling and everything. The broadcast quality microphone. It is a mini USB? Sure, we'll go with that. Your charge cable slash Type-C cable. If I remember right, it actually does both. And the Slipstream connector. Now, the glorious thing about Slipstream is this is not just limited to the headset. It is actually going to connect, I want to say 3 or 4 Slipstream devices. So if you actually have like a Slipstream enabled keyboard, mouse, then you could actually connect all those. So let's actually take a look at these guys. Get this garbo off of here. Look at them in all their glory. So coming around here, you got the connector for the Type-C, the 3.5mm jack, and your microphone. Now on this side, you got a volume, I'm used to saying volume rocker, volume roller, rock and roll, and a wired and wireless switch. The wired and wireless switch is actually going to double as your on-off switch. Wired mode, which it currently is right now, is going to wait for a signal. That means that the battery is off in there. Wireless is, do I need to say wireless again? So it's going to use battery. That's about gonna wrap it up. Initial impressions, it is very well built. It's heavy, but it's not. You ever just pick something up and felt like it's expensive? Just listen to how the adjuster sounds. That is unboxing porn at its finest. So that is going to wrap up a one-handed unboxing of the Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE. I'm assuming SE means Special Edition. I'll look forward to bringing you the full review here in several days. Haven't even turned them on or put them on my head yet. So, kind of got to do that before I actually say they're good or bad. This is Dustin with Rabbit Bits, bringing you your daily bit. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.